Well, hello everyone. Marko's back, the new proud American conservative with more important info not too many of you can stomach. It is June 11th, 2020. Hillary's not in jail. Brennan is not in jail. Nobody's in jail. Nobody is going to jail. Sorry to break that to you. I followed all that stuff for over 2 years and I finally realized nothing is going to happen. Just like nothing is happening when it comes to regulations, government spending, etc. Quick example how nothing has been changed under Trump when it comes to rich getting richer, middle class getting destroyed, not allowed to move to upper middle class to claw their way out of this a pit of misery that the ultra rich are all putting us in. So you get good with this system I've been talking about on my channel, in and out procedure, injecting, re-injecting cash from certain sectors, slash, of course, stocks, understanding to get in and out. And once you do that with the same stock for, let's say, over 5 times or in 5 days, you get labeled as a pattern trader, which to me is nothing but an honor, because you know how to do, you become professional trader basically, because not too many people understand the charts, understand how the market moves, follow certain stock, do a lot of research before they place those positions. But no, you don't get rewarded for that, as you were able to make, let's say, $50 a day or $100, or now you're moving up a little higher and they slam you down and you can't trade on this particular platform for over 90 days, basically jail time. So yes, so did Trump change any of this? No. Is he going to change any of that? No. Is Biden going to change any of that? No. Did Obama change any of that? No. But in a way, yes, because it's getting worse. As each president comes in, the more and more regulations come in, and the upper middle class is being pushed down basically to lower middle class, and the middle class and the lower middle class is now in poverty. Yes, that is what has been going on. A lot of you may not be able to stomach this, but I'm trying to show you a way how to claw your way out of this while there is still a chance. Okay, so I'm looking at this stock today for those who are possibly looking into quick in and out moves. Hertz, HTZ, yes, I know, New York Stock Exchange basically labeled them as jokes. They're not allowed. They're appealing now to do all these appeals to get back on it to the stock exchange. But they got kind of hit pretty hard after they jumped to about $4 or $5 a share. And now it's kind of around $2. So I'm really looking at that sweet spot, as I talked about yesterday, somewhere around maybe $2 and $2.30. That's what it's been moving. So this is a 30 cents possibility with whatever your bankroll is. Let's say 1,000 shares buy. You can do the math how quickly you can make a few $100s here, or a few $1,000s, or $30 if your bankroll is limited, if you don't want to risk too much. So that's what I'm looking at. We'll see what happens. KLXC continues to do well for me with a sweet spot of 20-30 cents from the low to high. That's what you do. You study these stocks. You don't even look at fundamentals, because none of that matters anymore. Everything is rigged. So just look at if you can find the low of the day, where the stock opened up. Did it go a little higher, and then did it drop lower than you expected, and now it jumped back up? This is where you make a move. Take that profit out. Use 20% of that profit into some bullion, gold, silver, platinum. Those three, especially silver right now, is still very undervalued. Really not too many assets, well, zero assets you can buy for way less than they were about 10 years ago. Like silver was $50 an ounce for the spot price, and now it's, going around 17, 18 bucks an ounce, or even lower. So just look at that. Try to be smart. Hopefully, all of you that are listening are stacking up on gold and silver, trying to find your way out of this pit of misery that the government continues to put everyone in, while the rich continue to get richer. So yes, today is June 11th, and nobody's been arrested for the upper echelon of the society, or you know what I'm talking about. So think for yourself, and let's make some currency and use that currency to acquire some real money with. Take care, everyone. More videos coming out with different stock picks. We'll see what we can do. Take care.